Hey everyone, if you need to reach hundreds or thousands of people at once, Twilio is the most powerful platform to get it done. In 2026, sending bulk SMS is about more than just hitting send. It's about staying compliant and ensuring your messages actually get delivered. Today, I'm showing you the exact desktop workflow to set up your bulk messaging campaign. Let's jump in. Step 1. Set up your Twilio messaging service. First, log into your Twilio console. Instead of sending from a single number, go to Messaging, Services, and click on Create Messaging Service. Give it a name like Bulk Notifications. This service acts as a smart sender that can handle high volume and automatically choose the best number from your pool to reach your recipients. Step 2. Add your sender pool. Now you need numbers to send from. Under your new messaging service, go to Sender Pool and click on Add Senders. You can add phone numbers, short codes, or alpha sender IDs if supported in your country. Pro tip: in 2026, using a pool of numbers helps you bypass carrier filters that might block a single number for sending too many messages too fast. Step 3. Prepare your contact list. Twilio doesn't store your contacts like a phone book, so you'll need your list ready in a CSV file or a Google Sheet. Make sure you have a column for phone number in E164 format, like +1 2345 67890. You can also include columns for name or custom field if you want to personalize your messages. Step 4. Execute the bulk send, Studio or API. There are two ways to actually send the messages. For non-coders, use Twilio Studio. Create a simple flow that triggers a Send Message widget for every contact in your list. For pros, use a script like Python or Node.js to loop through your CSV and send a post request to the Twilio Programmable SMS API. Ensure you reference your messaging service SID in the From field instead of a specific phone number to trigger the bulk features. Bulk SMS is a huge tool for any business as long as you play by the rules. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.